All right, number 9. Marisa needs to hire at least 10 staff members for an upcoming project. The staff member will be made up of junior director, who will be paid $640 per week, and senior director, who will be paid $880 per week. Her budget for paying the staff member is no more than $9,700 per week. She must hire at least 3 junior directors and at least 1 senior director. Which of the following system inequality represent the condition? Describe if X is the number of junior directors and Y is the number of senior directors. Okay, so for this word problem, we're trying to come up with an inequality to describe this problem. Okay, so we don't necessarily have to solve for X and Y, we just have to be able to write out the correct inequalities. Okay, so let's see what are the constraints that we have here. Okay, so we know that first she must hire at least 3 junior directors, right? Junior director is X, right? So it had to be, the X value had to be at least 3. Okay, X had to be at least 3. So at least 3 means we had to be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so it can be bigger than 3 or equal to 3. So then that's the X value. And then for the Y value, we know we have to have at least 1 senior director. Right, so then Y should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so these two inequality are easier to figure out. So then we can eliminate C and D for sure, right? Because C and D have less than or equal to. Right, so at least have to be greater than or equal to. Okay, so now between A and B, let's take a look. So we know that she must hire at least 10 staff members. So that's where the 10 came from. So to be at least 10, that means in total, right, we do X plus Y had to be what? Had to be greater than or equal to 10, right? Not less than equal to 10. Had to be at least 10, so greater than equal to 10. And just from that, we can eliminate A, right? Because only B has that. X plus 1, Y is greater than equal to 10. So then we know our answer should be B. And also the last inequality should be, junior member is $640, so 640 times X, right? And then for each senior member is $880, so 880 times Y, and this whole amount, that's the total budget. Right? It had to be within 9,700 because no more than 9,700, so it had to be less than or equal to 9,700. Okay, so again, that matches with the answer choice B. Okay, so that should be our final answer for number 9.